In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your tab color in Worksheets in Excel, as well as adding, removing, and renaming tabs as well. So it's going to be a pretty inclusive tutorial today, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by first showing you guys how to change the color of a tab. And there always are several ways to do things in Excel. I like to show you guys what I feel to be the most efficient way. And that would be to actually just right click on whatever sheet you want to change the color of. So just right click on it, and then you want to left click on tab color. So if you wanted to select one of the default ones, that's fine, but if you had a specific RGB code, you could always go underneath more colors here. So if you left click on that, and you could select custom to really make a true custom color as well. And you could also go underneath standard here, so it gives you more color options. Just wanted to be as inclusive as I could. So let's just say one of the standard ones is fine. So if I go underneath tab color, I'm going to say green, which looks cool. Next one, I'm going to make that orange. And then the last one here, I'm going to make that red. So you notice when you're not selecting any certain tab, it does definitely have a slight little transparent effect, but you can tell they're all different colors now. So if you want to actually delete a tab, very easy. You just right click on the tab itself and then left click on delete. Once you've deleted it, it shouldn't be an issue anymore. Now if you wanted to rename a tab, just double click on whatever the tab name is right here. So let's say I want to rename the need to do. So again, just double click. You can now highlight any text in here. Go ahead, backspace once you're inside of it, and you can call it anything you want. So we can call it new tab. Again, it can be whatever you want. And now finally, how to add a new tab. Left click on the little plus in a circle here, and when you hover over it, it says new sheet. Left click on that one time. And there you go, guys. There should be a default name for the sheet as well, so you're welcome to just double click on it and change it whatever you want. So we can call it anything at all. And that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.